Now let's watch as a student demonstrates skills course number 1. Notice the student starts at a slow rate of speed, comes up to the first stop sign, raising his left arm, indicating stop, coming up to the second stop sign now, this time using his right arm to indicate a stop. This time he's at a trail crossing and stands up and looks both directions before proceeding. Again, coming up to a left-hand turn, using the left arm to indicate the left turn. Now coming down the serpentine, turning the handlebars to the extreme right and extreme left, negotiating the cones, again while seated on the ATV and feet on the footrests. Again, demonstrating the hand signals, making the left-hand turn, and proceeding up to the stop sign at the starting point and waiting for further instructions from the instructor. Now let's look at more detail as a student proceeds through the course. Notice the right arm being raised, indicating a stop, looking both ways. Proceeding up to the trail crossing, this time using the left arm as a stop signal and applying the foot brake this time, looking both ways before proceeding across, indicating a left-hand turn, and now coming into the serpentine, and again hard left turn, hard right turn, hard left turn, hard right turn, again while remaining seated on the ATV, feet on the footrests. Coming at the end of the serpentine, making a left-hand turn, and proceeding up to the stop sign at the beginning of the course and waiting for further instructions from the instructor. Now let's watch as a student demonstrates skills station number 2. Student proceeds to the first obstacle, again proceeding at a slow rate of speed, crosses the first obstacle, signals a right-hand turn, proceeding up to obstacle number 2, again crossing at a slow rate of speed, again signaling a right-hand turn. Coming up to obstacle number 3, there's a stop sign located there. Student proceeds slowly, stops with the front tires in between the two logs, and slowly powers up over the logs, again making right-hand turn, coming up to obstacle number 4. And crossing obstacle number 4, stopping, putting the ATV in reverse, looking before backing, backing over obstacle number 4, and again putting the ATV back into forward, crossing obstacle number 4 again and proceeding up to the stop sign and waiting for further instructions from the instructor. Now let's look at skills station number 2 in more detail. Again, crossing obstacle number 1, signaling a right-hand turn, proceeding on to obstacle number 2, the offset obstacle, again crossing slowly, again making another right-hand turn signal, coming up to obstacle number 3, stopping, with the tires in between the two logs, and again slowly creeping out, making a right-hand turn signal again, coming up to obstacle number 4, crossing obstacle number 4, stopping, putting the ATV in reverse, looking backwards before backing over the obstacle, again stopping, putting the ATV in forward, and proceeding up to the stop sign at the beginning of the course and waiting for further instructions from the instructor. Now let's take a look as a student demonstrates skill station number 3. Again, proceeding up to the ramps, shifting the weight forward as they go up the ramp, shifting the weight backwards as they go down the ramp, and making a right-hand turn when they come over the ramp. Coming into the side hill, shifting the weight towards the uphill side. Coming around, back over the ramp again shifting the weight forward when going up the hill, shifting the weight backward when going down the hill, coming off the ramp, making a left-hand turn, side hilling again, shifting the weight towards the hill, and then proceeding on to the remainder, making a left-hand turn, coming to a trail crossing, indicating a stop with the hand signal, standing up, looking both directions at the trail crossing before proceeding across, coming into the tight left-hand circle, again going around once or twice, and coming out of the tight circle, proceeding forward to the stop sign, again arm up indicating stop, stopping, putting the ATV in reverse, and then backing and turning into a narrow area, looking all the time as you're backing. Proceeding out again coming to another trail crossing, hand signal for stop, again looking both ways until proceeding to the stop sign at the beginning of the course, and now again waiting for further instructions from the instructor. Let's look at it in more detailed version here. Again, shifting the weight forward going up the ramp. Notice shifting the weight back when going down. Again, when you cross the ramp, you want to make immediate right turn. And then side hilling, shifting the weight to the uphill side. Coming back across the ramps again, this time in the opposite direction. Again, shifting the weight forward. Coming back out in the remainder of the course, coming to a stop sign. Again, don't forget your hand signals, looking both ways before crossing the trail. Making that tight left-hand turn. Again, handlebars turned as far as they'll go to the left. Coming out of the tight turn, coming up to the stop sign, putting the ATV in reverse, and looking very carefully on both sides as you back into the narrow coned off area, and stopping, going ATV back and forward, and using your hand signals, indicating a stop at the next trail crossing, and proceeding to the stop sign at the beginning of the course, and waiting for further instructions from your instructor.